Today, we're going to look at 5 accessories that you need for your next hike. Let's jump straight in with this Olixar utility bag. Now, you can either wear this around your waist or over your shoulder. The bag is not huge, but it will allow you to fit some snacks, a phone, power bank, and other essentials on your hike. It also has a separate water bottle holder so that it won't take up room in the actual compartment, and also means that if it leaks, your belongings won't get wet. The bag has one large compartment, then it has a smaller one on the front, which is handy for carrying things like plasters or your wallet. Then you have these pouches on the front. I was easily able to fit my iPhone mini in there, but you may struggle with the larger phone. Overall, a decent bag, which will surely make your next hike that little bit easier. Next up, we of course have a battery bank. This one from Ventev includes a really high quality feeling lightning cable. The battery bank itself is 5,200 mAh, so not the largest, but enough to probably fill up most phones. The main reason for choosing this one is that it's not very large and therefore not very heavy. This means you won't need to lug around a massive heavy battery that you'll only actually use about 10% of. The battery bank charges via an included micro USB port, which I would like to see changed to a USB-C in the future, but it's not a deal breaker, especially at its low price point. As mentioned before, it comes with a really high quality lightning cable for iPhone users, which is also 1.2 meters long, and it also comes with this handy cable tidy. Overall, a great battery bank for hiking thanks to its small size and weight. Next up, we have this wallet finder from Chipolo. Now, you can get this in a couple of different versions. The one we have works with the Find My network on iPhone to allow you to track it. However, they also do one which will connect to their own app and also their own network. Now, AirTags are pretty thick and don't work that well for wallets. Unlike this one, it's really thin at the thickness of just 3 cards, so it can easily fit into your wallet. I think it's perfect for hiking, as you can easily make sure that you have not left anything behind, as it will notify you if you have. Then, it's as simple as walking back to find your bag or wallet. Now, it's not perfect. To make it this thing, you do have to sacrifice a removable battery, but thankfully, you won't be doing that for a couple of years, depending on how much you might need to play the sound to find your wallet. Next up, we have something you'll want to pair with your phone to get the best memories on your hike. This Samsung selfie stick with a removable remote control. For a start, it packs away into a nice little tube, so you can easily fit it into the Olixar bag we shown earlier. It extends quite far out and you can get nice high shots, therefore more scenery in them. The main reason I like this though is it has a magnetic remote that you can easily take off and pair with your phone. Then, when you set your stick up in tripod mode, you can easily take group shots with just the click of a button. I've had no issue using this with our S22 Ultra or my iPhone mini, so I'm sure your phone will fit in as well. Last but not least, we have these Olixar hand sanitizer bottles. You get 3 of them in a pack, so you can use them for shampoo, body wash, or like we've done, fill one with hand sanitizing gel. They include carabiners, so you can clip them onto the bag or your belt loops and easily have access to them when traveling and hiking. If you fall over and need to clean your hands, or want to clean your hands before eating, you can do this quickly and efficiently. So there you go, 5 little accessories to make your next hike that much more enjoyable. To purchase any of these items, please visit the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, take a look at our travel accessories video as well. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.